The following content is provided under a Creative Commons license. Your support will help MIT OpenCourseware continue to offer high-quality educational resources for free. To make a donation or view additional materials from hundreds of MIT courses, visit MIT OpenCourseware at ocw.mit.edu.
Okay, in this module we're going to talk about quality, and let me just say that you know, the whole lean process doesn't work without quality. And everybody thinks of quality, you think of manufacturing, okay? Let me suggest to you that as we extended manufacturing to our suppliers, if the supplier ships incomplete, incorrect parts to us, it doesn't do us any good. I had F-15 composite assemblies coming in from Israel, and they were stacking up, and when I got there, it was before my time. I didn't start that line. And they were shipping and getting paid for these composite sections on the F-15, and my guys were rejecting them because of voids or, you know, discrepancies. And then we were trying to figure out how, from an engineering standpoint, to disposition those from a standpoint, do we have to cut out the Nomex and put a patch on it and that kind of stuff? And I said, wait a minute, this is wrong. You know, we want Israeli aircraft industries to make a perfect part, to inspect it, to get our acceptance on that part and ship a good part so I can put it right on top, you know, right in the assembly line. And so there's no way that you can achieve cycle time, can achieve man hours and personnel hours. I'm gender center. See, I'm an old guy, and when I started in this business, it was man hours. Now it's labor hours. And so you can't achieve your unit cost or your schedule with bad quality. And most people think of this kind of an example in terms of manufacturing and that kind of stuff. Now, and I've just given you a manufacturing example in the factory and a supplier giving us bad parts. But in engineering, if we have incorrect drawings or we have mistakes on the drawing where the tolerances are wrong, or we leave out a material call out or call out the wrong material spec or something like that, we send those drawings or the equivalent 3D solid technical data out to the suppliers. They get it wrong. It comes in wrong. Or our factory builds it wrong. So of all the elements of achieving a lean enterprise, quality is you know, critical. And it's quality in accounting data, quality in everything. Okay, so I mean, I'll say this about 10 times, and if you give me a low mark for saying he's repetitive, I'll take that, because it's for emphasis, okay? Very, very important. So we're going to talk about how quality is essential to achieving customer satisfaction. I don't want 2 cardboard boxes in the back of my brand new car that says take it to the dealer, you know, because they delivered a car without 100% of the components in it, and that happens. We're going to talk about product quality and process quality, and the fact is it's very, very difficult to get product quality without good processes. We're going to talk about some tools, and these are tools that you may not have been exposed to before. And we're going to talk about, you remember in the beginning, Earl mentioned the fact that we've got Lean, and then we've got Six Sigma, and industry basically now is talking about Lean Six Sigma. And we're trying to achieve the customer satisfaction. There are people that are consultants now that are making their livelihood about saying, use our process and we're going to get an overjoyed customer, you know, that kind of stuff, you know, deliriously happy customer. Well, that's what we want too.